Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are covering some of the Java topics. So we are covering one of the things stream of. Stream of method is a convenient way to create a stream from a fixed number of elements. So in this video, we are only covering this stream of. So we are trying to understand more about the stream of. So you can create a stream of using stream of with various data types. So including arrays, collections, or simply a list of elements. So if you have a list of strings, you can use stream of like this, and then you can make it as an intermediate stream variable. Then you can print that one. Also, you can do like stream of arrays. That also possible. Let me take my environment, uh, local environment, so we can do some coding. So so let me remove all of other tabs from here. So close all tabs. So here I am going to create a tree of learning. Okay. We are adding a public static void method here, and then we will do all of the things that we discussed. So if you need a stream of string and you are mentioning like uh, stream stream of boot class, white, black, yellow. Okay, here it is. So from here you can do like for each, and then system dot output println, you will get the result. Okay, so the same way you can do for can do with the arrays. So I have a string array, and then say that one I have some values. So in this example, if you are copying, that's exactly here. That also work. Don't need to go to the whole things here. So if you are doing once again, you will get all the items with the remaining items here. So that's all done. These two things are completed right now. Stream operation. So usually we will filter out something. So filter out some item from the list. So that's one thing. And after filter also, the stream will be another stream itself. So here, if I am filtering based on something, so I am saying like this one, start with. So we can use the same example. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. So here, since it is food, We'll use the same example to start with. Oh, since we have only one element, let's see whether there's a thing we are getting here. So you can see I have only orange here. So that's exactly working that we expected. So there is nothing we need to discuss on that things. And the other one, mapping elements. So each element. So after getting this one, we can do some mapping also. So we can do the same thing on the same method itself. Uppercase. So here replace with lambda. So what's going to happen in this case? Since it is a stream, is fine. So you're not using any collection or something. That's a good thing. After you're completing everything on the stream, you can use something like for each or something. So sorting elements. Sorting also possible. And also you can do in the same stream. Then just sort it. So here what I am going to do is contain. There is contains. So if that contains A, then we will do the printing mango, orange, pineapple. So this is the order. So let me alter this order. So what's going to happen in this case? That's the thing we are looking for. So still it's same mango, orange, pineapple. That's because we are doing all the stream operation. So stream operations will be the same, but creating stream is the things stream of is doing. So collect method you can collect into a list or somewhere. That also we don't need to discuss that much. Concatenating stream. That's one of the good method that good example that we need to discuss. So here you are concatenating with something here. So here reduce. So this reduce method probably you need to with this perform a reduction on the element of the string using an associative, accumulative, and return an option described in this one. So here we are using this function. So we have s1 and s2, and you are adding that into the next element. So that's the thing actually happening on the reduce. Not sure what is identity here. So if you're providing something like v here, what's going to happen in this case? You need to, yeah, it's a first element here. So after that, the all the concatenate element will coming into picture. So that's also a very good thing. We probably will discuss about the reduce more. So we can do more things with reducing. If you are working with primitive data types, you can use specialized stream like IntStream, DoubleStream. So these things also we need to discuss. We are almost completed the topic right now, so I guess we have good time to discuss these things. So here, so in stream, you're providing a range, and for each you're generating this. So here, so okay, so that's how where this in-stream is working. So you will get all the elements from 1 to 10 in this case, and it will print out. So you can use double stream also in the same way. Performance consideration, string of suitable for small number of elements. If you need to create a short circuiting once a condition is alright, fine first in image. So advanced use cases, let's combine various operations in a more complex. So in this case, what we are doing, so you have a list of name. So filter grouping by string dot length. So what we exactly doing here? So you are grouping by string length. Yeah, this is a wonderful example. I have another example that also probably we will discuss on in this case. So here what exactly happening. So here I have the list of names and I need to return based on the length. So name dot length is greater than 3 and then I'm converting into the uppercase and I'm collecting characters to grouping by string dot length. So it will automatically do the mapping and other things. You don't need to worry about anything. So you just need to know in a list of items if there is a common property you can have that using the map grouping by always have some application any in any project. So you need to remember this, and whenever a case is happening with the list, you can use that. Another example that I probably want to discuss in this kind of scenarios is like if you have L1 and if you have L2. I am probably discussing only about two lists here, but it can be any number of lists. I don't want to take the more things here just to show you guys how these things are working for a particular use case. That's one we are going to do here. So you are taking two lists at a time. What we are going to do is you need to do the flat map. So flat map, it will map each item. And what you are going to do in this case? So in this case, you are using just flat map and returning that the exact thing. So I guess you don't need any method here. Let me try. So here it's saying like spectre one argument. So you need to return that one, I guess. I don't know whether there is any other way of doing this. Let me check that one. So it's basically one of the use case scenarios that I got in my previous learning exercise. So here, yeah, you need to stream each individual item. So for that one, you need a collection stream. You can use a parallel stream also if you are doing an operation here. If you are doing a read operation, and you can use, oh my god, where I am. So here you are doing a flat map, then distinct, then sorted, then collect, or something like that. So you can do all of this. So here I say like collect this, ignore. So that we don't need to discuss about that. So we are just using the for each, the same thing. We are just printing. Println. So let's see what's going to happen in this case. So whether it's printing all of the items, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Frank. So we are good. So the fat map is another things that we can do when you are getting a map, when you are getting a list of lists, right? So in this case, you are getting two lists. So we consider as a list of lists. Okay, then your flat map, and in that flat map you are taking collection dot stream for that item, and we are taking for each one. So this one example that also uh, good for this scenario. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.